Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this XIAOMI. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, go into sound and vibration, and scroll down again. Over here you can click on the switcher next to vibrate for calls to turn on or off vibrations for incoming calls. You can also click on the switcher next to vibrate in silent mode to turn on or off vibrations while your device is muted. Then tap on vibrate on tap, and over here you can pick one of these options to change intensity of your touch vibrations. You can also turn them off completely by tapping on off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!